two online learning giants, but only one can truly claim the top spot. Which one really delivers? On the left, Skillshare, with its creative community focus. And on the right, Udemy, the global platform with courses on almost anything you can imagine. Let's skip the marketing speak and dig into the real differences. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out ahead. The winner might surprise you. All right, so here's our roadmap. We are looking at 7 main areas to compare: course variety, pricing and access, platform features, certification, instructor experience, earning potential for creators, and global reach and languages. If you like a good side-by-side, you're in for a treat. First up, let's talk about course variety. Skillshare, hands down, is dreamy if you're all about creativity. Think design, illustration, photography, that kind of vibe. But if you're into, say, learning advanced programming or something totally outside the arts, well, you might feel a little boxed in. Now, switching over to Udemy, this is where things just open up massively. I mean, we're talking business, IT, health, personal development, you name it. Over 130,000 courses in 60+ languages. Sure, sometimes the quality bounces around because basically anyone can teach, but let's be honest. For sheer choice, Udemy is the clear winner here. So, what's the deal with pricing and access? Skillshare keeps it simple: monthly or annual subscription. Binge all you want during that period, and there's even a free trial to get you going. But here's the catch. Once you end your subscription, poof, your access is gone. And sorry, no free courses. Now, Udemy, it's pay per course. Buy it, keep it forever. They sprinkle in sales and discounts all the time, plus you'll actually find free courses. Yep, over 600 of them. You can even do subscriptions if that's your jam, but honestly, the lifetime access and sales, yeah, Udemy definitely edges Skillshare out in this category. Next up, platform features. Skillshare's interface, super clean. And the thing I really like, their student project spaces. You get that feeling of actually doing things, not just watching. The community vibe is strong too. On the flip side, it's a bit bare bones if you want advanced stuff. Now, Udemy jumps in with downloadable content, adjustable video quality, subtitles, assignments, quizzes, and way more resources. The trade-off? It's a little lonely. Less social feel. Still, overall, for features, Udemy takes this one with a pretty big lead. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Udemy started way back in 2010? Now they've got the biggest bunch of online courses anywhere. That's 130,000 plus and counting. Just wild. Certification. Okay, this one's pretty straightforward. Skillshare is all about learning by doing. They don't hand out course completion certificates. So if you like that little badge for your resume, sorry. Udemy, though, gives you a certificate after most courses. Not accredited, but it's something to show for your effort. If certificates matter to you even a little, Udemy wins. No contest. What about the instructors? Skillshare really shines with industry experts, and those original classes made with big artists and brands. The only thing is, they don't get much wiggle room on pricing. Udemy opens the doors to anyone. Literally anyone can teach. So you'll find both rock stars and some, less than stellar creators. But the freedom? Instructors fully control pricing. It's a mixed bag, though, because quality varies on Udemy more than Skillshare. Honestly, both have their ups and downs here, so I'm calling it a tie. Let's flip the script. Thinking about making money as a creator. Skillshare pays based on how long people actually watch your classes, but it's not a huge paycheck, since your cut is just a percentage of membership fees. On Udemy, man, there's big earning potential. If you bring your own audience, you can keep up to 97% of that sale. Set your own price, anywhere from free to like $299 a pop. Just a heads up, you need to really hustle with marketing yourself, but Udemy easily wins for creators trying to cash in. Last category, global reach and languages. Skillshare, mostly English with a dash of international. If you're hoping for classes in French, Hindi, or Mandarin, yeah, it's hit or miss. Udemy, though, courses in 60+ languages, 64 million users around the globe. Sure, a few translation quirks, but on accessibility and reach, Udemy crushes it. Let's pause and take a quick visual look. Imagine a radar chart where Udemy pretty much sweeps most categories, but Skillshare holds its own in community and niche creative vibes. you can really see where each one punches above its weight. So if you want a massive selection, lifetime access, or you're an instructor who wants bigger payouts, honestly, Udemy is your pick. But hey, if you love creativity, community projects, and simple subscriptions, Skillshare is really where you'll feel at home. Seriously, which platform sounds more like you? Are you ready to flex those creative muscles on Skillshare's free trial? Or maybe grab lifetime access on Udemy's killer deals? Go try them out and tell me which one sparks your learning journey